If you're struggling to get views and followers on TikTok, but every video you post is getting no views, you're not getting any followers, you're not getting any likes, every video seems to flop, then in this video, I'm gonna explain the 3 reasons why your TikToks suck. Okay guys, before we get into the 3 reasons why your TikToks suck, make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also turn on notifications to be notified the next time I upload a video. Let's get right into it. So before we get into the 3 things, I just wanna tell you a little bit about who I am. So my name is Shaw. I run a content production agency that specifically focuses on short form content like TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts, etc. We've worked with multiple 7 and 8-figure entrepreneurs to blow up their personal brands on TikTok. We've also worked with a bunch of other niches, from crypto to e-commerce to software to mobile apps. We've worked with any niche that you can think of, we've worked with it. So I posted thousands of TikToks in my time running this company, and I know exactly what works and what doesn't work through all the trial and error of posting for our clients. And in this video, I'm going to explain the 3 reasons why your TikToks probably suck. The first reason why your TikToks probably suck is you have no production value whatsoever. You have a really bad phone camera, you don't have a tripod, you don't have good audio, you don't have good lighting, you're not really thinking about what's going to make the video look better. Okay, so there's 2 kind of TikToks that you can make. One is more of an educational style and the other is more of an entertaining style. If you're going solely for entertaining, the production value matters less. It actually can help your video if there's a lower production value because it'll feel more organic and less forced. But if you want to build a brand that you can actually monetize, get followers, get views, people that are actually going to click on your link, opt into your email list, buy your product, etc., you need to have a more serious kind of video. So you can either have a setup like this where you have a really good camera, tripod, lighting, microphone, everything like that, or you can go for a little bit more of a budget but still good quality. So you need to invest in the best smartphone that you can afford because you need a really good quality camera. The second thing you need is a small tripod, a little flexible tripod that you can put your phone in and you can take it with you wherever and you can film TikToks on the go. The third thing you need is good lighting. So you can either buy a big ring light or you can buy a small portable one that you can clip onto the top of your phone. That's going to make your skin and your face look much better. And the fourth thing you need is a microphone like this. Whenever you're talking on your videos, you need to have really crisp audio, and trust me, it's actually going to help the performance of your videos a lot. The second reason why your TikToks suck is your edits suck. Look, it might be really tempting to hire a super cheap editor from the internet to make you any kind of edits and not really put much thought into the edit itself. It might be super tempting to do that because it's going to be cheap, but you're not going to get a really quality edit. You need to find an editor that is generally from either the Philippines or from Eastern Europe because they're actually really good quality. They give really good quality work. They know exactly what the Western style of audience wants to see, and generally their English is much better as well. So throughout your videos, if you have a talking video like this, you need to have captions, you need to have sound effects, you need to have cuts and jumps, you need to have zooms, you need to have GIFs and memes popping up on the screen to keep people engaged throughout. The thing that you need to know about TikTok is that attention span is really low. So a general rule of thumb is every 2 to 3 seconds in the video, something needs to happen. There needs to be a new caption, there needs to be a new cut, a new jump, zoom, sound effect, meme, GIF, anything. Every 2 to 3 seconds, something needs to happen in order to keep your viewer attentive and keep them engaged in your video. If you don't have this, they're just going to scroll past and you're going to miss out on the views and the followers. The third reason why your TikToks suck is you have no story. Humans love stories, so you need to give them a story. This is especially important in educational style videos. If you don't have any story relating to the point that you're trying to make, it's going to be harder for people to conceptualize it. It's going to be harder for people to follow along with your video. Let's say, for example, you're going to put out a video talking about why it's important to never quit. If you just tell people, never quit, just keep going, blah, 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 they're not going to be engaged. But if you relate it to a time where you lost everything in your life, you lost $1 million, your wife divorced you, your girlfriend left you, you lost all your money, you're on the streets, but you turned it back around by never quitting and never giving up, then that's a much better, much more compelling story. So you can include the first half of the video to be the story and the second half of the video to be the educational point that you want to make. This makes it significantly more engaging because you open a loop in the person's brain, making them want to hear the end of the story. So if you combine your educational points with the story, you're really going to see the performance of your TikToks increase. If you sell a course, coaching, consulting, or agency services, and you want to turn TikTok into an organic source of sales and traffic, then listen up. You might be interested in joining my mentorship program, where me and my team, who have worked with multi-8-figure coaches and course sellers, we hold your hand through the entire TikTok growth process. We're going to tell you what videos to make, how to monetize your account, which hashtags to use, when to post, the kind of sounds to use. We're going to show you everything, but most importantly, you will have one-on-one access to me and my team to guide you through the entire process from start to finish to actually have you grow a TikTok following, but most importantly, convert those followers into paying customers. If this interests you at all, click the link in the description to register for the program. This opportunity won't last forever and the price is going to increase very soon.